Unraveling the phrase, wire something up, a simple guide. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, wire something up. This phrase might sound technical, but it's used in various contexts. Our journey will explore its meanings and how to use it effectively in everyday conversations. Ready to get wired into English learning? Let's go! Wire something up primarily refers to connecting electrical components using wires. It's a phrase often used in electrical work or electronics. For example, an electrician might say, "I need to wire up the sound system." Here, it means they are connecting the sound system's components with electrical wires. Interestingly, this phrase isn't limited to just electrical contexts. It can be used figuratively to mean setting up or preparing something, often in a way that's quick or makeshift. For instance, "We wired up a temporary shelter" doesn't mean they used wires, but rather they quickly set up a shelter. To help you grasp this phrase better, let's look at some common examples. 1. Technical context. We need to wire up the new lighting system in the office. 2. Figurative sense. They wired up a surprise party for her in just an hour. 3. Informal setting. I wired up a quick solution to the software bug. Notice how the phrase adapts to different scenarios, from technical tasks to quick fixes. When using wire something up, remember, it's often informal or colloquial. The context can be technical or figurative. Ensure your listener understands from the context whether you mean it literally or figuratively. There you have it. Wire something up can be a fun and versatile phrase in English. Whether you're talking about actual wires or just setting something up quickly, this phrase adds a dynamic touch to your conversation. We hope this video has lit up your English language journey. Keep practicing, and see you in our next language adventure.